Hello friends, welcome to the channel DevOps Vijay. Today we will be learning about how to install Ansible in Linux box. So I have logged into one sample EC2 machine. Uh, so the first command is yum install EPEL release. Why this? EPEL provides easy access to install commonly used packages on CentOS or Red Hat. Okay, let's click enter. Next command will be yum install Ansible. Click Y, press enter. So Ansible is installed. Let's check whether Ansible hyphen version. You can see Ansible 2.9.27 has been installed.